In this video, you will learn how to keep track of your finances in Orderry. Let's have a look at the cash flow accounting feature. It allows you to keep track of where your company's money comes from and what it is spent on. All cash flow items will be divided into two categories. Incoming funds. For example, customer payments, investments, dividends, partner bonuses, and outgoing funds such as payroll, payments to suppliers, taxes, rent, and so on. To do all the necessary settings, go to the accounting section on the settings greater than general page. Then, enable the use cash flow accounting system checkbox. By default, you'll see 6 cash flow items that you cannot edit or remove. Prepayment. When a customer makes a prepayment to you on a work order. Payout. When you make a payment to a customer. Client's payment for service or goods. When you make a deposit for a work order or a sale. Refunds from the supplier. When you make a refund deposit from a supplier. Client's refund. When you withdraw funds from a cash box to give back to a client. Supplier's payment for service or goods. When you withdraw funds from a cash box to pay for postings. These cash flow items may not be enough for you to keep accurate records of income sources and expenses. That's not a problem, as you can add as many custom items as you need. To do so, hit the Add Item button, enter the item's name, for example, Employee Training, and select a flow direction expense. Click Save, and now, let's add one more, but this time with the name Investments and the direction Income. Click Save. To see how they work, go to the Payments page and create an expense. Specify the amount, add a comment, for example, Sales Training, and then select the cash flow item created in the previous step. If necessary, mark the transaction with a tag and click Save. As you can see, the expense is displayed in the cash box. Now let's make an income. Specify the amount, add a comment, for example, from sponsors, and then select the item Investments from the list. If necessary, tag the transaction and click Save. Be sure to select the appropriate cash flow item each time you make a payment to the cash box. As a result, you will be able to get a detailed report of cash flow in your company. This report will show income and expenses for each item for the selected period. At the same time, each cash flow item can be expanded to view all the transactions in the specified period. If you have deleted an item but used it before, it will be displayed on the report. Thus, with the cash flow accounting system, you can group and arrange your cash income and expenses, analyze their dynamics and correlation, see all expenses for a certain period and compare them with the income, identify regular expenses and budget them for the next period, determine which costs to reduce and thereby optimize the budget. All this will allow you to forecast cash balances and avoid cash gaps so that you can pay your obligations like employee wages or supplier payments on time.